Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to open up a traditional IRA with Robinhood. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and open up a retirement account on Robinhood. How do you actually go ahead and open up a traditional IRA? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but first you're going to log into your Robinhood account, and then you're going to scroll all the way down to where it says retirement. So it's located underneath the Discover More tab. But click on retirement, and then from here you're going to click on get started, and then next what you're going to do is that you're going to continue with a 1%. If you're a gold member of Robinhood, which is their subscription, you can continue and upgrade to a 2%, but we're just going to continue with 1% for now. And then here you're just going to click on continue. Now your account shouldn't be restricted, but what you'll essentially do here is that you're going to choose between a Roth or a traditional IRA. So you're just going to click on traditional IRA, and then here you're basically just going to go ahead and follow the prompts moving forward. Now with that being said, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and open up a traditional IRA. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this on Robinhood, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.